Ooh. This is spicy. Guys, masarap pero di mahal. Damn, it is so good. Hey, we are trying Filipino snacks. A friend of mine bring it to me and I'm super excited to taste it with you. And I'm gonna review it one by one. Okay, so item number one, Sky Flakes, right now. Wow. Just like regular crackers, it looks like. We have something similar here in Macedonia though, by the looks of it. Yeah, cracker. Okay. Not bad. It's very, very slightly salted. Not too salty. And doesn't look any kind of burnt or something, but I don't know, it's like, it has this, it's like bready. Like, it feels like eating a very, very compact bread or something. I don't know. Interesting stuff. I guess it goes with something. With cheese. Next item is Boy Bawang. This one. And if you, I just noticed in the back, it says here by Pinoy. So it's a product of the Philippines. Just like this. Okay. This is how they look. So what's this actually? Golden sweet corn. Ooh. Wow. So good. Wow. Guys, masarap pero din mahal. Super na masarap na masarap. Oh, talaga lang. This one, I really enjoy. When I was in the Philippines, I don't know why I didn't buy it. Just now I see it is so good. Or maybe I miss the Philippines so much.
Oh my lord. Wow. Super na masarap. Yeah, I cannot stop. Okay.
We go item number 3. Piatos. Okay, Piatos. It's gonna be first time for me also. Okay. So the one before was kind of like sweet with a buttery flavor. Ooh, this one looks nice. See how it looks? Wait. Wow. Piatos. Wow, my god. Cheese flavored. Damn, it is so good. Wow. Oh my god. Oh man, yeah. This is crazy. This is crazy, so good. Oh my god. Piatos, guys. Wow. This one is the winner. But I have to try one more, but man. Wow, this is also made in Philippines, I guess. Product of the Philippines. Here. Product of the Philippines. Philippines, I love you for inventing patos. Piatos. Wow. If you could just smell it, my god, look. Crazy good, crazy good. I got a cheese flavored, simple, salty. I mean, what should I say? Like savory, but not too much. It's just like perfect balance. Yeah. and it's potato based. Yeah, chips, perfect. I love it. Oh, I could eat this snack like every day. My God, as they call it in the Philippines, chicheria. I love this. I love these things, and this one, oh, this is the only left that I have. This one only. I'm gonna enjoy the last of it. Wow, guys. So I don't know what to say else. I really love it. The last we have Oishi prawn crackers. Ooh, spicy flavor. But anyways, it is a product of the Philippines, as I can see here, and it's chili flavored. I like chili, so let's begin. Okay. So here we go. Ooh, this is spicy. This is really spicy. Man. This is it. Ooh. This is spicy. No joke, guys. Woo. Wait. I like eating spicy, but I didn't expect that this is gonna be so spicy, man. It's just the chips. What does it say? Crackers. Oh, I didn't even feel something shrimp inside. Oh. I don't know, guys, but I don't like really seafoods. Oh my God. Oh my God. It's really spicy, really spicy. Oh my Lord. It's good, but like, not my cup of tea, as you might say. But I give it, I like spicy, but yeah, I give this one from 1 till 10. I give it just a 3 or a 4, just because it is spicy. Yeah. So there you have it, guys. Oishi, right? These crackers, guys, is good to pair if you're having a cold San Miguel, or if you have a red horse. It kind of makes sense. Red horse, chili, prawn crackers, makes sense. Yeah. Then when you eat it, you feel like eating chicharron, if you know what I mean. Chicharron is the crispy pork skin. So that's a reminder of that. So, ooh, that's hot. We have to rate all of these snacks, or as they say, chicheria. I'm gonna start with the last one. So this one, I like it because it's spicy and everything, but I don't like seafoods. So I will give it a 4, just because it's spicy and it's like good spice and it goes well with beer. So there you have it. Second one, the Sky Flakes. This one, Sky Flakes, I guess 6. I will give it a 6, just because it's small, compact, very cheap, din mahal. I will go with boy bawang. That's why I have to give it like an 8. But I really like the flavor. So there you have it. And guys, this one I'm not gonna rate. I'm just gonna eat. 10 out of 10 guys, 10 out of 10. That's it for the video today. Please give like and subscribe to my channel. Give us a comment in the comment section. Thank you so much. Bye.